Welcome to. If you've ever wondered how to start investing and actually make money, this video is for you. You work hard for your money, right? But what if you could make your money work even harder for you? Today, I'm going to break down how you can make your first $1,000 from investing, step by step. Ready to take control of your financial future? Let's get started. Look, we all know the traditional path. Work hard, earn a paycheck, and maybe have a little left over at the end of the month. But what if I told you there's a smarter way? Investing isn't just about making money. It's about building a secure and fulfilling future for yourself. Think of it this way. Every dollar you invest is like a little worker, out there earning you more money 24/7. Over time, those earnings add up, creating a snowball effect that can lead to financial freedom. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time. So are you ready to unlock your financial potential? Let's dive into the practical steps you can take today. Alright, let's get down to business. Here's a simple 3-step plan to get you on the road to your first $1,000 and beyond. Step 1. Choose your investment vehicle. The first step is choosing where to put your money. Now, you'll hear a lot about different investment options like stocks, ETFs, crypto, even real estate. For most beginners, I recommend keeping it simple and starting with either a low-cost S&P 500 index fund or a few shares of solid blue-chip companies. These are generally less volatile than individual stocks and offer a great way to dip your toes into the market. Step 2. Start small, stay consistent. One of the biggest misconceptions about investing is that you need a ton of money to get started. The truth is, you can begin with as little as $10 or $20 a week. The key is consistency. This is where dollar cost averaging, DCA, comes in. DCA simply means investing a fixed amount at regular intervals regardless of market ups and downs. This strategy helps you average out your purchase price over time and reduces the impact of market volatility. Step 3. Avoid costly mistakes. Investing isn't always smooth sailing. The biggest mistake you can make is panicking and selling your investments during a downturn. Remember, investing is a long game. Stay focused on your goals, ride out the fluctuations, and you'll come out ahead in the long run. Now, I know you're probably wondering how long will it take to actually make that $1,000? Well, let's do some quick math. If you invest just $100 per month and earn an average annual return of 8%, you could reach your $1,000 goal in less than a year. Now remember, market returns can fluctuate, so this is just an example. Some years might be better than others, but over the long term, the stock market has historically trended upwards. The key takeaway here is the power of compounding. As your investments grow, they generate earnings, and then those earnings generate their own earnings. It's like a snowball effect that builds momentum over time. Now that you know how to start investing and make your first $1,000, the next step is to take action. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. See you in the next video.